Hello everyone, myself Milan Agrawal. I am a second year BTech Computer Science student in Indira Gandhi Delhi Technical University for Women, and I am going to present my Microsoft Engage 2021 project. The challenge was to build a Microsoft Teams clone with at least one mandatory functionality, which is a minimum of two participants should be able to connect with each other and to have a video conversation. As a solution to the challenge, I created a web application using Node.js, MongoDB, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript for frontend, and WebRTC. The workflow of the entire event was divided into three sprints: design, build, and adapt. This is the home page of our web application, and if you don't already have an account, you need to click on register. You need to enter your email ID and password with which you want to register and click on sign in. After registering yourself, you can click on the login. It will redirect you to the login page and you can enter your email ID and password and click on the submit button. On doing so, you will be redirected to a page which will ask you for your name. You need to enter your name in the prompt, and then as you can see, your video will be visible. And you can mute yourself. You can close your video using this. And then you can copy the link to the website and you can share it with other users who can then join the same call by sharing this link. You can wait for the user to be connected. Hello.
Hello.
You can even type some chats and you can even store your notes during the meeting. It also has an emoji picker. As per your choice, you can add your emojis. You can use this button to copy the link of the meeting and you can share it with other people also. You can toggle your video and your audio as per your choice. And you can leave the meeting using this button. This will redirect you to the home page. This is the MongoDB Atlas, which is the database. Here inside users DB, there is a collection called as users. It stores the email ID and the password which we had collected during the registration. We can see the passwords here are encrypted. This is to protect the user's security. Some important NPM packages used. Socket.io and PeerJS were used for peer communication. PeerJS takes all the WebRTC information of the user and turns it into an ID which can be passed in different places to connect to peer network. WebSockets allow bidirectional communication between server and the user, and UUID helped in creation of dynamic room IDs. In order to incorporate agile methodology in my project, I used Trello. So Trello gave me this workspace in which I divided my work into different sprints. In the first sprint, I did the research work and I created a basic layout and design for my web app. In the second sprint, I set up the server and I started building the application and I built the basic features required for the app. In sprint 3, I integrated all the parts of the application together and I added the additional chat application feature and I deployed it on Heroku. So I was also able to organize the work better by adding labels which helped me identify which part of the website it was. Also, I added future additions which can be made to the website to make it even more functional and useful. In the end, I would like to thank Microsoft for giving us such a wonderful learning opportunity and helping us connect to the mentors who helped us throughout the project. Thank you.